Welcome to Clear Mathematics. You can clear here all your math doubts and you can learn the mathematics concept clearly. So in this class we learn CBSE Mathematics first chapter real numbers exercise 1.3. You can see here for the first question, prove that root 5 is a rational number. Okay. We have some example problems also like that. See here, example number 9, prove that root 3 irrational number. And even one theorem is there here, root 2 is irrational number. Now, in this session, we are going to learn how to prove the root 5 irrational number. Already in the last my video, I explained this problem very clearly. So you can learn from there also. I am explaining now, and I am concentrating how to solve some more problems like root 2 or root 3 or root 7, root 8, any problem. By this one, if you learn perfectly the root 5 problem, how can we learn the others? Now I am explaining, you can see here. So actually they are asking you prove that is a irrational number. But I am assuming root 5 is not irrational number. I am assuming this one is not irrational number. If it is not irrational number, surely root 5 is a rational number. So when it is a rational number, the rational number, every rational number p by q form is also rational number. This we can express as a p by q. That means I am using a by b. So here a by b, a, b are the co-primes. In this situation, co-primes. So there is no common factor for the here except the 1. And a, b are the integers and this denominator should not equal to 0. This is a condition. Okay. Now I am simplifying answer this. You take the 5 other side, it become a b5 root 5. Now I am squaring on both sides, so it become a whole square. Okay, so square, I put the square on both sides. So square is applied for b separately, the root 5 also separately. Then it b square, root 5 root square cancel, it become a 5. So the means here in this step you need to observe here we written the a square. The product of two terms means these two terms are the factors of a square. The means 6 we can write the 3 2s are 3 and 2 are the factors of 6. Clear? So similarly here also b square is a factor of a square, 5 also factor of a square. I am writing 5 is a factor of a square. If 5 is a factor of a square, the 5 is also factor of a square, also factor for a. So it is a. So now I am a is taking the some number. Let I am taking 5a, 5c. This is a c. So I am taking 5c. Clear? Now I am substituting in this place. A is 5c. I am substituting. So substitute here 5c. So it is here a square is there. Here also square will come. It become a 25c square. So now b square it is equal to, because why I am taking 5c, 5 is a factor of a. So the means 5 is divided the sometimes. How many times I am divide I not know. So I am dividing, it is a 5 c's are a. I am thinking 5 c's are 5 into c. So the means 5 is dividing the a c times. So that's why it become then b square is equal to 5c square. Clear? So in this case you can observe that b square is writing as 5 into c square. That means 5 is a factor of b square. 5 is a factor of b square. If 5 is a factor of b square, you can also write as 5 is also factor of b. So already I am putting the bracket here. So you can see here also 5 is a factor of a. 5 is factor of a, 5 is a factor of b. That means 5 is a common factor. You can take as a and b. 5 is a common factor of a and b. But this is contradict to the fact. Why it is contradict to the fact? A comma b are co-primes. There is no common factor for a and b, but we observe that 5 is a common factor for a and b. A and b. So it is contradicts. Why it is happen? So something is went wrong. Why it is happen this situation? Because of our wrong assumption. Our assumption is assumption is wrong. So this wrong assumption make us to go something wrong. So what is the correct? Root 5 is irrational number only. We are wrongly taken as not irrational number. So it is a proof. Now this is a solution. Root 5 is a irrational number. Now how can you prove that? In a textbook, in example problem, one theorem is there. Theorem. So root 2, prove that root 2. Prove that root 2 is irrational. Similarly, root 3 is example problem. This is example 9. Example 9 problem. Root 3 is irrational. Okay. How can we do this one? Just once you learn that, even the average student also will do very easily, because it is very important problem. So last year and before last year in the CBSE question paper, root 3 problem is there. Okay, such an important problem. Now, so just you replace just if you are perfect this problem. Okay, if your problem so this it is they are given the root 2. So here root 2 will come, root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. Here 2 will come, that's all. 2 will come. So 2 will come, 2 will come, 2. Where the 5 is, here 2 square means it become a 4, 2 cancel, it become a 2. So 2 will come, that's all. So here 2 will come. That's all. This all conversation at the beginning and last is same. So the root 5 plus root 2 will come. That's all. So 5 just you replace by 2, you get the 2 answer. Similarly, so root 3, this answer if you replace 2 place is replaced by 3, you get the root. Okay, root 3 answer. So very easy. Now I want to tell the very important problem in textbook. There is a third question, exercise 1.3, a third question, first bit. Okay, this is 1 by root 2. How can we prove that 1 by root 2 is a irrational number? Okay, now I want to prove here. You can see. The question is, prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational. Clear? This is third question, first bit. So in exercise 3.1. Clear? How can we prove it? Okay, now so solution. So let us assume one by root 2 is not, so I explained here 1 root 5. So we can take the root 1 by root 5 also here. That is very easy. So I am taking for my convenient here root 5. So just is number change. Root 5 is not irrational. After I will tell the root 2. Okay, is not irrational. If it is not irrational, 1 by root 5 is a irrational. If it is irrational, this we can write 1 by root 5 in P by Q form, that I am taking A by B. So here also condition A comma B are co-prime. A comma B are co-primes. Just a minute. A comma B are co-prime. A comma B are belongs to integers and denominator B not equal to 0. So Clear? Okay. Anyone here, a comma b are both are not equal to 0. A comma b both are not equal to 0. Now in this situation, okay, so here I am reciprocal, I am writing reciprocal, 1 by root 5, root 5 by 1. Then RHS also it become as a b by a. Root 5 by 1 is nothing but 5 by root 5 by 1. So root 5. It is equal to b by a. Now this simplification, already this simplification we learned here. This is root 5 is equal to a by b. So here a by b is there in our, here a by b is there. In our second problem b by a is there. Just a b places are reverse, that's all. Okay, so here a will come, first a value we will get, after p value, that's all. Same procedure. Okay, so if you are learn one problem root 5, prove that the root 5 is a irrational number, so you can able to do the all the problems. So if you are perfect root 5, you can able to do root 3, root 2, root 7, any problem, even the 1 by root 2, 1 by root 5 also. Actual problem is root 2 is there, I said root 5. So if it is a root 2, it will come here root 2. So here root 2 will come, here root 2 will come, here root 2. So this problem become a root 2. Clear? Now here root 2 will come. So the procedure is as it is. Scaling on both sides. Okay, you will get the like this problem. I hope guys, children, you are understand clearly. If for any doubts you can ask me. Okay, exercise 3 I give the clear information in my videos, so you can suggest your friends to watch my videos to complete to get the clear explanation and become a perfect in your mathematics. Okay, I hope you like my video. Okay.